Good evening, tutors and partners. My name is Francisco Alcalá, recording task 7. Number 1, reading. Emotions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only effort time, and are clearly direct that or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positiveness and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. I continue to number 2 minimum pairs. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, kite, knife, take, stick, count, put, pin, bean, till, peel, teach, fish, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, dog, buck, date, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, toad, coat, down, gown, tie, guy, tap, cap, tool, goal, tag, gag, table, gable, team, fame, tail, fail, tongue, fun, thick, brick. Number 3, intonation statement with one stress. She works, he laughs, it stopped. A statement with 2 stress. Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather had changed. A statement with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. A statement with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. She wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. A statement with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question, falling intonation. Why your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, Phonetics, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Hella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or 6? That you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't. Should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Exclamatory sentences. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. It's so happy. Direct address. Rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't.